Hello students, it's Ms. Rashawn, and as promised, this is your first video for our flipped classroom model. I wanted to give you a video first on how I want you to take the notes prior to any lessons. So, these are the notes that you will take while watching the video, and you must bring these notes back to class with you the next day. From these notes, we'll know where to place you in the class and what you need to work on. Let's get started. We are going to focus on first, very important concepts, or in other words, VIC. We will call these VICs for short, okay? The VICs are the concepts that we're going to be studying. Concept equals topic and definition. So VICs are going to be the definition and the topic that we're going to be focusing on. For example, right now, our VIC would be rhetorical devices. The next thing you would need to focus on are VIPs, or very important points. Each concept would have several different points that we want to point out. These are the points that we'll focus on. These will be the different parts of the concept, and please make sure you have an understanding of what each point is. The points will be about the VICs. Therefore, please make sure to take note of the VIPs. When we are taking notes, make sure we have our VIPs in the notes. After you write down your very important concepts, or VICs, and your very important points about the VICs, please make sure to ask questions. Maybe you don't understand right off the bat about the concept or a point of the concept. So, ask questions as you go along. Next, we'd ask you to do a summary of what you do not understand. What you do not understand will let me know where I need to place you in class. You would start off your phrase, I still do not understand whatever it is. Example, if we're doing rhetorical devices is our VIC or our VIC, and a point of the rhetorical devices was alliteration, and you didn't understand alliteration, you would say, I still don't understand alliteration. What is it? I need some examples. Finally, you would summarize what you do understand. I do want to know that from the notes that you did get some sort of understanding about what we're talking about. The VICs, the VICs, the VIPs, yes, and your questions to introduce you to it will help you understand what you have. But if you don't understand something, please make a note of it, make a summary. You will start it off. I know what you do understand. So, this is a working model of what your paper should look like. First, you would have the title. Then we would have the VIC, the VIC, which is the definition of the concept. After that comes the VIP, and those VIPs are the very important points that would include definitions as well as examples. In the third quadrant, we would have summary, what you know, and then we'd have questions, and then summary of what you do not understand. As you take your notes, I hope this helps. When you come to the class, we'll have an opportunity to have a hands-on classroom if you have these notes available. If you do not have the notes available, you will be required to take the notes in class, and you will fall behind. So please, take this opportunity that I'm giving you right now so that we can have a very interactive classroom. I can't wait. I'm so excited.